AI.
In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 critical human skills that AI simply cannot replace even as we move deeper into 2025. If you're feeling anxious about your career, this might be the most important video you watch this year. Hi guys, my name is Bharti Kumaria. I'm the founder of Trainer Collective, and since 2020, we have helped over 5,000 professionals develop their essential human life skills. Our 6I holistic human development model focuses on what truly matters, the 6 dimensions of human capability that AI simply cannot replace. Now, I understand that right now there's a lot of fear circulating. Headlines warning that artificial intelligence will eliminate millions of jobs. You feel like your skills are getting outdated. You're overwhelmed by tech you don't understand. You're unsure if you are future-proof. And you're asking a very important question: how do I stay relevant in a world where AI learns things faster than I do? So here's the answer. You don't beat AI by being faster. You beat it by being more human. Let's be real. We are heading into an era of human-AI collaboration, where many expect people to work alongside robotic colleagues. However, even the hottest AI tools, and trust me, there are many, have glaring gaps. Most agree that core human traits like empathy and moral judgment, creativity, adaptability, and contextual awareness still remain a work in progress when it comes to artificial intelligence. In short, AI is superb at crunching data and handling routine tasks, but it still cannot replicate the full depth of human intelligence. Not yet, at least. So here are the 5 irreplaceable skills that you can develop, which can make you an invaluable asset anywhere you go. Let's start with number 1. So the first irreplaceable human skill, and this we talk about in our programs all the time, is emotional intelligence. The ability to recognize, understand, and manage both your emotions and those of others. So this means being aware of feelings and using that awareness to connect, persuade, or calm others. AI, for all its data power, can't truly feel or bond. It lacks self-awareness, intuition, and empathy. Let's give an example. Chatbots may try to understand words, but only humans know when a colleague really needs support. In other words, humans make emotional connections that machines sometimes can miss. Studies also show that EQ is a strong predictor of career success. People with higher EQ tend to earn promotions, lead better lives, and work more effectively with others. Teams with emotionally intelligent members solve problems faster and report lesser burnout. For instance, a manager who senses team stress can reassign tasks or motivate the group, while AI alone would just churn data without noticing morale, right? Emotional intelligence also helps you work with AI. So an emotionally aware employee can use AI tools in ways that build trust and meet human needs rather than relying solely on automation. Number 2. The second irreplaceable skill is moral intelligence, making ethical decisions based on deeply held human values. It includes conscience, empathy, fairness, respect, compassion, honesty, and integrity. AI can follow rules, sure, but it has no conscience of its own. Machines learn from our data, so they inherit our biases or mistakes unless guided by ethical humans. For example, an AI hiring tool might amplify racial or gender bias in its training data. A morally intelligent person must step in to correct it. Just imagine your friend lies on their resume and gets the job. Would you speak up? Or your company makes a decision that harms the environment. What do? That internal compass, your values and ethics, guides your choices in everyday life. People trust you more, you sleep better at night, and you lead with respect. The third skill AI cannot replace is creative intelligence, the ability to generate new ideas. Think outside the box and imagine better solutions. It is what allows you to write a heartfelt birthday message and make someone cry happy tears. Turn a last-minute dinner into a beautiful experience with whatever's in your fridge, or find a unique solution to a personal challenge no one's faced quite like you. Now, don't get me wrong, while AI can remix existing content and generate amazing ideas based on patterns and data, it doesn't know what it feels like to love, to struggle, to dream or imagine. It can't daydream during a walk, get inspired by a conversation, or have a sudden aha moment in the shower. True creativity comes from human experience, from lived emotion, cultural nuances, and deep personal meaning. The fourth skill AI cannot replace is collaborative intelligence, the ability to work well with others, especially those who think, feel, or live differently from you. You see, humans excel at reading social cues, resolving conflicts, and uniting a group around a vision. AI, by contrast, has no natural team spirit or awareness of group dynamics. We often call this hybrid intelligence, the idea that people and AI each play distinct roles and boost each other's strengths. For example, imagine a design team using an AI assistant. The AI quickly analyzes user data and suggests possible features. A human team leader then listens to everyone's input to decide which feature to build first. So leaders today are shifting focus to upskilling employees on collaboration, both with others and with AI tools, because that's where the human advantage really lies. The next is adaptive intelligence. It is your ability to stay calm, flexible, and resourceful when life throws you a curveball. It's how you handle change, uncertainty, and challenge, not by resisting it, but by growing through it. While AI can process variables, it does not truly adapt. It can't deal with ambiguity, emotional nuance, or unexpected life moments like a sudden career shift, a personal crisis, or a major cultural change. When your job role shifts overnight, you don't shut down, you learn. When a plan falls apart, you find a newer way to move forward. When the world changes, you evolve, not just survive. So this intelligence is what helps people stay calm during maybe a layoff, switching careers, recovering from setbacks, or supporting a friend through a tough time. It's the human skill of being emotionally and mentally agile no matter what's happening outside you. You see, these skills, when developed the right way, can become your superpower. They give you the flexibility to not only survive, but thrive. The future is not about competing with AI, but about working with it, using your uniquely human strengths to bring creativity, empathy, and innovation in everything you do. If you're interested in developing any of these skills, check out the link in the description below. At Trainer Collective, we offer various certificate programs spanning all these critical human areas, delivered through live, instructor-led sessions designed for maximum impact and retention. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel, Trainer Collective. We will see you in the next video soon.